What's up YouTube? Welcome to Ghananie Photography. My name is Don Alabee. Today I'll take you through how to remove anything in Photoshop using content-aware fill in Photoshop 2021. I'll show you two other methods as a bonus, so make sure you watch to the end. I'm a photographer based in Accra, Ghana. And if you like what I do here, kindly consider subscribing and hit the bell so you get notified anytime there's a new upload. So we'll be doing this with two images. So the first image is what we have here. This is the Independence Square in Accra, Ghana, and we would want to take this lady holding the balloons off. This is what we are going to achieve. So this is before and after. So without wasting much time, let's drop the intro and move straight to the tutorial. Welcome back. So this is before and this is after. So let's delete this and then start all over. So now we want to take the balloons and this lady out of this image since it's a bit distracting. Now if you look over here also, security guards were also there. So you may want to take them off. So I'll show you how to do this using three different ways. So with the first one, we are going to use the content aware fill. If you come to edit, you see there is content aware fill, but there's nothing selected. So it's grayed out. Now you would want to start by selecting the area you want to replace. So first of all, we know where we want to replace. So let's choose a selecting tool. You can choose any of them that you want. I choose to use the lasso tool, and we'll make a selection around what we want to take off. So let's gently draw around this like this. Okay, so since we have our selection, we go to edit, and now you can see content aware fill is active. So let's click on it, and this window pops up for us. Now over here we have the preview. So if you look inside here, you realize that our subject with the balloons are gone. So here there are various options, but without even touching them, see, we got something desirable. So this is where you would want to make a change, where we see output settings. There are various settings there. I would want it to output it in a new layer. So I select that and then click OK. And look at that. Now I press Command D to deselect. Now if we zoom in a bit, this is 50%. We see some artifacts over here. So what we do is we'll select the spot healing brush and then come over here with the content aware selected. We just brush over this line to get rid of it. Do the same thing somewhere here. A couple of clicks till we get that correct. So as may be the case, this doesn't give you the desired results mostly in one single click. So you would have to come in and then do some adjustments to get it. Now if you look at the floor here, you see there is something fishy going on down there. So you can use the same tool to just blend it in, or you can combine it with other tools like the clone stamp to fix it in. So with that, let's just zoom out. And if nobody told you we took something out of the middle here, you would never know. Let's take a look at before and now. See? So let's look at the second image over here. So this, I did it earlier. So this is after, this is before. So let's try and take this woman here out of the image using a second method. With the second method, we can use just the spot healing brush and this set to content aware. Now if we just increase it and then come here and then make a selection around our subject that we want to change. See, something happens, but it's not up to what we want. So let's disable that. Now, as I said, some of these work well the first time, but some too you would have to tweak depending on your kind of background. So it pays to know that your background has to be clean. When I say clean, I mean it has to be something close to solid, or the patterns should, match. for you to be able to do content aware. Otherwise, you have these After Effects that you have to clean, using other methods. So obviously, this first one didn't work well for us, because this, everybody will know there was something in there that was cleared. So let's disable that and then go back to the other method, which is we do another selection with the lasso tool, select around her and her shadow, and then we go to Edit, we go to Fill, and then over here the content, you see we have various content here. We just choose Content Aware and then OK. So it will try replacing what's there with what it thinks should be there. So if you look at this, see, it did a very great job. So basically, these are 3 ways that you can take anything off a picture in Photoshop. That doesn't mean when shooting and there are things you can take off, you shouldn't do that, because you can do it in post. It saves a lot of time to clean things that you can clean before you shoot. If this tutorial has been helpful to you, don't forget to drop a thumbs up and share this video with anybody you think will benefit from it. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for watching.